What's up, YouTube? Hey family, I'm tapping in, guys. We got Monday in the books. I know it goes fast, man, but listen, that's how the market moves, guys. Great job on the day for those of you that had a chance to do your thing. Listen, guys, we got a jam-packed video ahead of us because we got a crazy day upon us for tomorrow. I need to make sure you guys got the right information and the right guidance so that you can do your thing on tomorrow. Okay, I want to say not only to keep it locked, guys, but major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Okay, again, we take it one day at a time, one play at a time, guys. I'm looking for progress, not perfection. I just want to say major salute. And when I talk about this, guys, again, let me reiterate, I'm talking about those of you that are not only just winning, but those of you that are managing your risk too. Okay, sometimes, guys, learning to go from taking massive losses to a smaller loss, if you guys are trading, for instance, that's a huge step in the right direction too, guys. And I'm on that journey right with you guys. And so I just want to make sure that I highlight the holistic viewpoint of what I'm talking about as I speak about progress. Okay, with that being said, guys, check it out, man. I got some information for you guys. We got Tuesday inflation report could show that prices are moderating as gasoline and travel costs fall. Some key points I want you guys to be informed for tomorrow. Okay, so some key points: we got the CPI index is released tomorrow morning at 8:30. Okay, so again, I'll be in the Discord around 9 to let you guys know how to play the market based on how it reacts to this 8:30 report. Okay, so make sure if you haven't already joined us in the Discord, link for that is in the description below. But that is expected to come out at 8:30 a.m. on tomorrow. That's Eastern time. So if you're Central, it might be 7:30, and if you're on the West Coast, it might be at 5:30. Okay, always know the times of what's going on. They said the report, though, could be confusing because the economists surveyed by the Dow Jones expect the headline CPI to decline by 0.1%, but is expected to rise by 0.3% when you exclude energy and fuel. Okay, remember I talked to you guys about the fact that the market doesn't like uncertainty. Okay, and so just be very, very aware of that caveat right there. Okay, there's a little bit of discrepancy in that could cause, if you see some upward down movement and volatility in the market, that could be because of that little discrepancy right there. Okay, and then the report is seen as key for next week Fed Reserve rate decision. Okay, because listen, we are battling between if we're going to do 75 basis points or 50 basis points. Okay, so based on tomorrow's numbers, this is why this is so critical. Okay, you could see Fed Jerome Powell either stick with 75 basis point, or if this inflation is coming down so low, or the CPI report, I should say, is coming in a lot lower, he may say, man, I only need to do 50 basis points. The market will like that one way or the other. Okay, economist says it's also critical for the longer term view on interest rates, since it could show whether some causes of inflation are under control. So listen, guys, again, a jam-packed day for tomorrow, so I want to make sure you guys are ready for that. Okay, and then this next thing, guys, I want to talk to you guys about is the fact that the word for the day, class is in session now. Okay, the word for the day is melt up, and I'll talk more about this in tonight's video, but I want to put this on you guys right now. A melt up. All right, now check this out, guys. We are looking at this survey, okay, and the sentiment, that's all this is. It's just telling us whether or not, and that's what I always tell you guys, respect the trend, because this is telling us that 18% of people were bullish at the end of last week, and then we got 28% of people are neutral. Okay, that means they 50-50, somewhere in the middle, and then you got 53% of people are bearish. Okay, now this is why I want you guys to write this word down, called melt up. MELTUP. Okay, melt up. What happens is this: Wall Street is always watching you guys. This is why I'm always on you guys every day. Okay, you gotta play chess, not checkers. They see all you guys, or just everybody around, just in general. Okay, hedge funds, all that. 53%, over half of the people are bearish. That means everybody is thinking the market is going to go down. So the market will hit you guys with the ooh-wop, meaning they will make the market go up okay, off of little to no news or off of things that don't even make sense, because so many people are leaning towards everything going down. Okay, and this is called a bear trap. Okay, this is where all that stuff come from, guys. It's always backed up by data and research and things of that nature. Okay, but this is where I talk about don't get caught in the bear trap, meaning the trend is your friend. If the market is going up but you keep buying puts, okay, for instance, the market already see, man, over half of the people that's in the stock market think the market gonna go down. Oh, we gonna just hit them with the ooh-wop and make it go up. Oh, they think it's gonna come down later in the day. No, we gonna make it go up a little higher. Oh, they think after hours it's gonna go out. No, we gonna gap up in the morning so they can be down even more. Okay, this really, again, just kind of let you guys get a window into what the overall sentiment is. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. I thought this was also some helpful information for you guys that may want to know this kind of stuff or see, like, everybody is bearish right now. So yep, the market gonna go up, but don't get it twisted. This is the month of September. I can see the market going up right now, but then maybe towards the end of the middle to the end of the month coming down. So you never know. We got a big day tomorrow with the CPI report. Okay, guys, now taking a look at a couple things on the day, starting with the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Look at this guy sitting at 411.60. In the Discord this morning, I talked about this would have a chance to go from 408 to 410 a day. And really, guys, it got stuck around at 410. It held throughout most of the second half of the day at 410. They did a little fluke run up to the end of the day to get us over 410 to this 411 level. But nevertheless, I want you guys, now that you know, again, we have made another hurdle. Okay, I'm going to always teach you guys level, and I'm going to tell you the levels. I want you to always write this information down. So if you're looking at your charts, if you're trying to make money off of these things, you have the right information that can guide you on your journey. Okay, so since we hit 410, all right, the next level we obviously want to see that's just short term and that's attainable would be 412. Okay, if SPY can hit 412, whether CPI comes in and it's a good report tomorrow, or we got more momentum coming in after we hit 412, then I want you guys to start looking for 415. Okay, the ultimate level will be 420, but we're not going to discuss that yet. We take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Okay, and so I want you guys to focus on 412 and 415 to the upside for tomorrow if we have another green day in the market. Okay, to the downside, guys, you got some levels that are being made now that you guys can see. Let's just look at one level that held up today, 408. Okay, that's perfect. That's a level that's going to hold up as support when it's do drop or do pull back. You want to see 408. You guys will want to look for 405 and then 400 to the downside. Okay, but short-term support that's a little higher than 408, 409.67 caught today, and 409.93 caught today as well. So the market was clearly trying to maintain and stay above that 408 level and trying to hang around at 410, which it did, like I say, from noon all the way to basically the end of the day. This little 411 stuff came at the very end of the trading day on today. Okay, so be on the lookout for those levels tomorrow if you want to make some money and if you want to play that. Okay, look at Tesla, guys. Tesla was up over 1.5% today. Ticker symbol TSLA sitting at 304.70. Okay, Tesla had a strong day today. They also were able to get over and back to 300. That was very key. Okay, if Tesla can find some more support from here, Tesla can get back to 310 and then 315. Okay, and that's just short term without me going too crazy, because really 340 and 370 is on the horizon for Tesla. But I want to keep everything kind of close and concise just because we got a huge report tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Then we got Fed Powell speaking next week Wednesday, and so I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves, and I don't want you guys getting too far ahead of yourself. I want you guys to take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Okay, but Tesla at 304 right now, so you're going to look for support. Let's just check it out. You had a double bottom here at 301 and 301. I'm gonna go ahead and call that 300 because sometimes the markets like to overshoot. So you got a little bit of support for Tesla at 300. And then you got some more support again around that 283 level. Okay, be on the lookout for those levels. And look at this, guys. Apple went on an absolute tear today. And shout out to everybody that's part of our weekly options and the money team, guys. This was our play today. Okay, we did Apple this morning when this stock was way down here. Okay, and we was able to take advantage of it going up and having it was up 4% on a day. So to see it close up here over 3.8%, and then it's up in after hours. Listen, Apple is, again, phones came out doing extremely well. Apple, again, biggest company in the stock market, #1 stock everybody rushes into as a defense play, as a growth play, everything. So Apple is holding it down. Definitely was a good look for the market today. It is now within that range, 157. When it's above 157, guys, you have all the way up to not only 160, 163. The next level from here will be 166. Okay, I'm just keeping it concise. Of course, the higher end of that range will be 175. I don't want to put too much on you guys because I want you to stay focused on the main thing. We're not going to get to those levels in one day anyway, so don't even look that far ahead. The market likes to move in increments of 1%, 2%, and so you need to keep it in that range in your head. Okay, with that being said, Apple did phenomenal on today. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful, man. We got one day in the books. We got 4 more days to go, so that means we got a chance to perfect our craft even more, and I'm excited. And so listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Please help this video get at least 2,000 likes. Okay, remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.